Did your ticket remain waitlisted even after the train chart was prepared? No need to worry. If you have opted for Travel Protect, then you will be eligible for the discount coupon. Now let's see how you can redeem your discount coupon while booking a bus ticket. Open the IRCTC portal and click on Bus Booking. Log in with same credentials that you had used to buy Travel Protect. Start booking a bus ticket of your choice. Do note that the alternate travel date must be within 7 days and for the same route as that of your Travel Protect booking. In case there is no bus on your booked route, you can choose any nearest bus stop. Fill the same passenger details which you filled while purchasing Travel Protect and proceed. Select Yes, use coupon to get instant discount on the IRCTC review journey page. When you click on Proceed for payment, you will be redirected to the IRCTC iPay payment gateway page. Select the discount coupon that you wish to use for your alternate travel booking. Pay the balance fare, if any, after applying the discount. Congratulations! You have successfully redeemed your Travel Protect discount coupon. Remember that Travel Protect is to be used only for urgent travel needs, so you will have to redeem your discount coupon within 1 week or it will expire. For more details, please read the FAQs and terms and conditions available on our website. Wishing you a happy and confirmed journey.